Hi friends, good morning everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell you about one small validation or control in sales process. For example, most of the companies prefer to combine multiple sales orders into one delivery. At the same time, a few companies wanted to create only one delivery. The delivery must belong to same sales order. Okay. So how do you control, for example, if the requirement is that one delivery, outbound delivery is created with reference to multiple SO items, how to stop for specific customer? For example, if you don't want to have that kind of functionality for specific customers, then if you go to customer data, if you are in ECC, XD02, or if you are in S4 HANA in BP, you can find this option, order combination. This option can be unflagged, or else if you want to know that what is making you to combine these things, here you can control with this indicator, order combination. Based on this indicator, system will allow you to combine multiple sales orders. You can create VL04 identity code where you are combining the multiple sales order items to single outbound delivery. Okay, these kind of controls you can verify multiple at the sales order document level. Okay, sales order document type level and outbound delivery document type level. If you see the configurations, there are multiple validations, like for example, how many maximum deliveries can be created for against one sales order. So you can do till 9 or 3, or you don't want to allow more than one delivery for a sales order. Full quantity needs to be delivered. These kind of controls are available. You can check that respective configuration. So you can see sales order document type creation in SPRO under sales and distribution, sales documents, document header. So here you can see that at document type level, what all configurations you can do it. Okay, you can what things you can control it regarding delivery block or which delivery type. Okay, is assigned to the respect to sales order type. So delivery block related thing, the shipping condition related data. So all these things you can control it. So similar way, let me show you that at delivery type level, what all controls you can do it. So if you want to have a delivery, you have to go to LE, plastic execution, shipping, shipping, deliveries, define delivery types. For example, you can take LF, go to display. So here you can control details like say delivery split by warehouse number. Okay. Based on delivery split by warehouse number, we mostly activate that delivery split by warehouse number because one warehouse number should be one delivery. Okay, the LAKP stores the warehouse number at the header level. Yeah. You can check there other controls, distribution at delivery, and yeah, this is sales order required because it's a sales order based one, sales order required. If it is purchase NL and all, purchase order required. Anyway, I'm just giving you like you can put a certain kind of controls at document type level. You can control. Okay, so this is the way how you can determine whether orders, what delivery type you need it, and automatic packing. So is there any other different options how our purchase order type like that in delivery type and sales order type you can have certain kind of control. So I will show you that in S4 HANA also in BP. For example, once you come to BP, maybe directly also we will go to BP transaction and select the customer, click on enter. Here in the BP role, you have to give the sold to party. Okay. You can give the sold to party. Just now I got CRM 000 sold to party. So once you select the sold to party, you can see the customer general data and all. Okay. So let's go to sales and distribution. So here we can see 1710 10 00. Okay. So here the sales group and sales district. Okay. These are all will be useful for the sales transactions. So what are the sales group is available? The available one you can select it. 170. So here I was mentioning about the order combination, right? This is the one which will allow whether multiple the sales order lines can be combined or not. In say S4 HANA, in BP you can control this one. The delivery priority also you can determine whether it is a high priority or low priority, which is the delivering plant, what are the shipping conditions for that one, whether it is standard or if you have any specific one, those things also need to be provided. So you can control, and I will make one video on business partner, customer vendor creation and all. So the setup and the front end, then we will definitely learn more about business partner. So for now, about that field, I wanted to highlight how does it look like ECC and in S4 HANA. Thanks for watching. And if you have any kind of specific topics related to S4 HANA, which will be useful for all the members. Okay, so those kind of concepts you can put in a comment. If you are watching on Udemy, you can provide as a comment or message. Okay, if you are watching on YouTube, you can give your comment. So definitely I will consider. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.